Here's SelfQuest app, which is going viral these days. Main features epic quest. Track your core exercises with engaging main quests. Complete them to earn experience points and gold. Random side quest. Keep things exciting with random side quests. Character progression. Leaderboard shop. So basically the idea of this app is that you just have this gamified training experience. So you kind of create your avatar, such as you playing just some video game, and then you just work out, and you have this gamification experience for your fitness. This app for a few days is in top charts of App Store, so it's pretty amazing. So let's just create an account. So you need to enter username, email, and password. So now you can just enter the game after creating an account, and you need to enter your character name. And then here is the character, and then this is just like your avatar. Then you can see you're in the lobby, and then you can see your rank, then just your character, and then you can just equip the skin. And then also you can just see, like, that's the idea. So there are quests, daily quests, trying to become a formidable combatant. So you just add in, okay, today I did like 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, and then I ran for like 3 kilometers. And then that's the daily quest. You have like 8 hours to complete it. And then you also have like daily side quests, which is meditate, and side quest to run additionally, and then study, and then side quest. So that's basically the idea. And then you just have this, and then you can, in time, you can start to kind of equip this character. And yes, pretty interesting idea. And then you can just go to the shop and explore some additional things. So that's the app, and in top left you have delete your account, you can log out, and then also what you can do, you can connect Strava. This app is a bit buggy, but the idea is great. And then also you can connect some smart watches like Fitbit and all of the things. So you can also integrate those devices. So that's kind of cool. The whole idea, if you like video games but you're just really lazy to go to the gym and do not know at all how to motivate yourself, that's definitely the app for you to try out. I think it's in the beginner stages of development, but it's definitely can become really interesting idea. And then unlock, you need to have 250 keys, and you just you're improving your power level and your damage level and your class, and that's what it is. So try it out.